Right now, deep inside Edwards Air Force Base, something extraordinary is happening. Under blinding hangar lights, F-22 Raptors are rolling out, but not the Raptors the world has known for 2 decades. Their skin glows with a mirror-like finish. Not paint, not cosmetic. This is something different. The United States Air Force has committed $7.8 billion to transform the F-22 into something no adversary expected. They're calling it a viability upgrade package. Defense insiders have another name, the Super Raptor. China is watching, Russia is recalculating, and air dominance is being rewritten. Welcome to Jet Insight. Today we uncover how America's most feared fighter refused to retire, and instead became deadlier than ever. The F-22 entered service in 2005. It was untouchable. Mach 2.25 top speed, supercruise without afterburner, stealth that made it a ghost. Its motto became legend: first look, first shot, first kill. But 20 years in military aviation is a lifetime. China introduced the Chengdu J-20. Russia unveiled the Sukhoi Su-57, both designed specifically to challenge American air superiority. Originally, the F-22 was scheduled to retire around 2030. Instead, the Air Force made a bold decision: upgrade it, radically. Out of 187 Raptors built, only 143 are combat-coded. That's America's entire air superiority backbone. Retirement wasn't an option. Transformation was. In late 2024, observers noticed something strange at Edwards. F-22s taxiing with reflective, almost chrome-like surfaces. Photos exploded across defense forums. Speculation ran wild. The answer? Multi-spectral stealth. Traditional stealth focuses on radar. But modern battlefields are different. Enemies use infrared search and track systems, advanced optical sensors, electronic warfare detection. Stealth had to evolve. The new coating doesn't just absorb radar waves, it manages thermal emissions, reduces infrared signature, disrupts optical tracking, improves durability. Some analysts believe it incorporates metamaterials, engineered substances with properties not found in nature. Others suggest advanced ceramics blended with radar-absorbent compounds. But the result is clear. The Super Raptor doesn't just disappear from radar, it disappears from everything. China invested heavily in IRST systems specifically to counter stealth. Now, those systems may be chasing ghosts. In January 2025, Raytheon Technologies received a contract exceeding $1 billion. The mission: rip out 1990s-era sensors, replace them with next-generation systems. The centerpiece is the Infrared Defensive System, IRDS. It replaces the aging missile warning system with longer detection range, faster processing, instant pilot alerts. Chinese PL-15 missiles can strike at extreme ranges. Future weapons may go even farther. The Super Raptor now sees threats coming long before they get close. But that's only defense. Offensively, Block 30 and 35 Raptors are receiving IRST pods, passive detection, no radar emissions, no electronic signature, just silent tracking. Multiple Raptors can triangulate a target in real time. Even stealth aircraft generate heat. Physics cannot be defeated. And now the F-22 hunts using heat itself. Enemy stealth advantages? Neutralized. The Pacific is massive. Distances stretch thousands of miles. The original F-22 combat radius, roughly 580 nautical miles, impressive, but limiting. China built strategy around those numbers. Now comes the low drag tank and pylon program. These aren't ordinary external tanks. They're supersonic capable, aerodynamically optimized, low signature. They extend the Raptor's range dramatically without sacrificing speed or stealth. Targets once considered unreachable are now within striking distance. Strategic assumptions? Invalidated. The Super Raptor can launch from farther away, stay in the fight longer, return safely. Distance is no longer protection. Hidden in the 2026 budget was a quiet revolution. The F-22 is becoming a drone commander. Collaborative combat aircraft, autonomous wingmen, will operate alongside Raptors. Every combat-coded F-22 will receive control interfaces directly in the cockpit. One Raptor, 3 or 4 drones. The drones go forward first. They scout. They draw fire. They gather intelligence. The pilot analyzes the data, makes decisions, delivers precision strikes. This is manned, unmanned, teaming at scale. The future of air warfare, operational today. While 6th-generation programs are still developing, the F-22 is already commanding the battlefield of tomorrow. Enter the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile. Details remain classified, but we know this. It exceeds the range of the AIM-120 AMR-AAM. It has advanced seekers. It resists jamming. It's built for high-end conflict. In late 2024, an F-22 achieved the longest-known AMRAAM shot in history.
On scope, engaging.
Distance undisclosed.
Target locked, Fox 2.
But beyond previous records. Now imagine that, extended further. Combine IRST tracking, advanced radar, AIM-260 range. The enemy never sees the Raptor, never detects the missile, never gets a chance to respond. That's air dominance. In 2025, Raptors deployed in real-world combat operations, stealth penetration, 0 losses, mission success. Air defenses failed to track them. The upgrades weren't theoretical, they worked, and that changes the strategic equation. The F-22 first flew in the 1990s. It was supposed to retire in 2030. Now, funding extends operations into the 2060s. 70 years of service life, unprecedented. That speaks to one thing. The design was ahead of its time, and now it's ahead of everyone else again. China continues building J-20S. Russia fields the Su-57. But the Super Raptor combines multi-spectral stealth infrared dominance, drone command capability, extended range, next-generation missiles, combat validation. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a message. American air superiority isn't fading, it's evolving. The future of air combat isn't coming, it's already here, and it's flying at Mach 2, unseen.